channel. My name is Tiara. Today I'm going to be doing my updated Silkpress routine. All products that I'm going to be using are linked down below, so make sure you check them out. If you want to see how I got this silky, luscious, delicious Silkpress, then keep watching. So to get started, I'm going to be using the Hot Sexy Hair Prep Me Lotion for the blow dry. You need about a nickel size amount. I actually went in with this product twice. Now I'm going to detangle my hair with my Denman brush. I'm going to link this brush down below. And then I'm just going to be using the tension method to blow dry. I'm going to be grabbing this round brush. The bristles are a lot closer on this one. And this is what actually gets my hair nice and straight for the blow dry. I'm just going to throw a little plait in my hair to keep it out the way, and I'm really just going to work through the whole head doing the same routine with the blow dryer. Keep in mind I am using medium heat with high power. I don't feel like I need to go in with the highest amount of heat because you don't really need that, especially since we're going to be using flat irons right after. But just watch the way that I'm blow drying my hair, because this is like the blow dry is the base of your Silkpress, and this is what's going to make your hair really, really straight. So you'll see it a little bit later into my blow dry how straight my hair gets. Now I'm going to be going in with my second heat protectant from Hot Sexy Hair. Then I'm going to be using the Design Essentials Silk Essentials and my Babyliss flat iron to straighten my hair. This is a warning. Be very careful with this product. As you can see, I'm only using a little bit and then I'm sharing it out. If you use too much, you're screwed. This product is not forgiving, so be careful when you're using this because you really don't need a lot.
Even though I don't wanna show emotions, I'm open. Not the type to try and double back twice.
As you can see, we're going in with the serum once more. I'm going to use it on all sections and I'm shearing it out really, really well. Remember, don't use a lot or you are going to regret it.
Rushing here real fast just to take it slower. You know I ain't these heads on hoes, and boy, you let me know. Baby, all I gotta say, nobody get their way faster. Maybe not you here to stay, we'll see how it plays after. Boy, you say you're done with games and more. We gotta get deeper now, deeper and deeper now. One time you give it to me, so good. Guess I never had a real nigga from the hood. But you gotta understand this wasn't in my plans. You're trying to get deeper now. Feelings is deeper now. Get some lips. Know I like to kiss, baby. Taking trips. Had to get away, baby. Post some pics. All in our business. Ain't no distraction about that action, but I hope you're not wasting my time. I want to give it, but get to relax. I want to feel more, but you ain't right sometimes. a show. Emotions, I'm open. Not the type to try and double back twice, but you had me running right back. Have me coming back to back, yeah. Play it by your neck, yeah. Tell you arch your back, yeah. Tell you to shut your what's up. Rushing here real fast just to take it slower. You know I ain't these other hoes, and boy, you let me know. Baby, all I gotta say, nobody get their way faster. Claiming that you're here to stay, we'll see how it plays after. Boy, you say you're done with games and more. We gotta get deeper now, deeper and deeper now. One time you give it to me so good. Guess I never had a real nigga from the hood. But you gotta understand this wasn't in my plans. You're trying to get deeper now. Feelings is deeper now. Get some lips. Know I like to kiss, baby. Taking trips. Had to get away, baby. Posting pics. All in our business. Ain't no distraction about that action, but I hope you're not wasting my time. I want to give in, but get to relax. I want to feel more, but you ain't right sometimes. But it can't go to waste. Any nigga who can take your place. Baby, all I gotta say, nobody get their way faster. Feeling that you're here to stay, we'll see how it plays after. Boy, you say you're done with games and more.
Hey y'all, I'm back. I hope you guys enjoyed the music. So now I'm going to be taking these little itty bitty flat irons and I'm going to be using these to catch my edges. We need to get this Silkpress nice and sleek, and you cannot neglect the edges.
Gotta understand this wasn't in my plans. Trying to get deeper now. Feelings is deeper now.
I know I'm not the only one who does not like the widow's peak, but I always cut this off. Girl, I cannot stand this little part of my hair. As you can see, I was feeling myself a little bit with this one, but look how shiny and healthy my hair looks. I enjoy wearing Silkpresses so much. I pretty much wear my hair like this like 90% of the time. Alright ladies, this concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed my updated Silkpress routine. All products are going to be linked down below, so make sure you check them out. Also, don't forget to like this video, share it with your girlfriends, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you girls in my next video.